Today, we're gonna show you how to make rust disappear.
And paint some rocker panel.
Alright, so the first thing we're gonna do is remove these bumpers. And on a Volvo 240, it's quite simple. So these plastic bumpers just rip off. As you can see, this is like the structure. But we're just gonna paint this up black, make it look a little bit better. As you can see, the front bumper, it's not quite as negotiable as the rear. Alright, so this front bumper is held on by two 10mm bolts. You just take them off, and these bumpers should just kidding, there's 4 more. 1, 2, 3, 4, and they're on the bottom. But once those are done, then there's also 2 screws. And the bottom, this little chin spoiler comes off. And with that off, now we can get to the real good stuff. Oh yeah. Just comes right off. Like butter. There's a rivet.
My specialty is rivets. Never mind, that's a special rivet. You need chompers for that. These chompers! Not bad.
These are called horses. Because you ride them like a horse. Yeah! So look at this bumper. And then look at this nice painted bumper.
Painting. The rocker panels.
They're called bumpers?
Bumpers.
Alright, so as you can see, these Volvo 240s, they have this really ugly plastic under here, and it just looks dumb. So, I'm gonna cut it off. Alright, we got off this ugly plastic. It'll never hurt anyone ever again.
Ow!
Oh, sorry.
Alright, so we finished masking it. That's pretty good.
We're just gonna paint this rocker panel down there, make the plastic look a little bit better. Oh hey, didn't see you there. So, we got this rocker guard rubberized paint. Rubber! And you see this rust right here? Well, we're gonna show you how to make it disappear. You see any rust?
I don't see any rust.
Yeah, me neither. Looks like the rust is 100% gone. You guys, this stuff is incredible. This is like my favorite paint of all time. And it smells great too. Well, as you can see, we still have quite a bit left, so I think I'm gonna do all this in this rubberized rocker guard. Oh no.
We're out of paint.
Gotta go get some more paint.
We got the paint. Alright, well, day 1 gone, and we finished. They look amazing. Until tomorrow.
Alrighty, it's day 2, And we're gonna stick these bumpers on and see how she looks. So once you got it lined up, just give it a nice smack, and it gets the job done. The rear bumper is done. Onto the front. Done. Alright, so once you kind of have the bumper and the chin spoiler in place, there's 2 screws on the edges, and I think you're probably going to want to put those in first. So as you can see, the screws on the sides, they just hold these 2 edges together, so that's good. And now we can do the 4 bolts on the bottom. There's 1. There's number 2. There's number 3. And there's number 4. Now there's 2 more bolts, and they just go in here on each side. All the bolts are tight, so now we just gotta stick the little chrome pieces on it. If at first you don't succeed, hit it harder. As you can see, there's a piece of chrome missing right here. That flew off when I was driving at an undisclosed speed. So as you can see, we made this rocker panel and these bumpers look brand new. And all that rust, you don't even see it. So that's how it's done. That's how you make rust disappear. We'll see you next time on Rust Bugger Redemption. That's